Welcome to this video on IIT Physics versus regular physics. Today, we focus on how teaching methods can change student thinking and foster IIT-level minds, not just cover physics content. Consider two teachers. Teacher 1 writes a formula, solves 5 problems, and the students copy. Teacher 2 asks a question, leading students to discuss the concept of relative speed, introducing it organically. The first teacher creates students who can solve problems, while the second creates students who can think. This difference distinguishes regular physics from IIT physics. IIT exams test thinking in new situations, not memory. Regular physics focuses on formulas, memory, chapter completion, and teacher explanation, often leading to repeated problems and fear. IIT physics emphasizes thinking, logic, concept mastery, student thinking, new situations, and interest. Let's use an example. Finding the relative speed of a car moving at 20 meters per second and a boy running towards it at 5 meters per second. The regular school method involves the student seeing the problem, picking the formula, and quickly calculating 20 plus 5 equals 25 meters per second. The student gets the answer, but may not truly understand the concept. The IIT teaching method begins with a question. If two people move toward each other, does distance decrease faster or slower? Faster, so speeds add. The result is 25 meters per second. The concept is understood, and the formula is not just memorized. Consider the rain and umbrella problem. If rain is falling vertically and a man is running forward, in which direction should he hold his umbrella? Pause and think about this before moving to the next scene. Regular teaching uses complicated trigonometry and formulas, often confusing students. The IIT method uses logic. Running forward means the rain hits from the front, so the umbrella must be tilted forward. Logic is understood instantly. An average teacher teaches a physics chapter and solves 100 problems, leading to a student asking, which formula? An IIT teacher teaches how to think and solves one problem in 10 ways, leading to the student asking, what is happening physically? The real problem is students do not fear physics because it is difficult. They fear it because it is taught without imagination. This results in too many formulas, no real-life connections, no thinking required, and only copying. IIT exams do not test memory, direct formulas, or repeated problems. They test thinking, application, multi-concept problems, and new situations. The goal is to build the brain, not just finish the syllabus. As a teacher, your role is not just teaching physics. You are training problem solvers. You are training thinkers. Ultimately, you are training future engineers. To teach like IIT faculty, follow these steps. Start with a question, ask students to predict, use a real-life example, explain the concept, introduce the formula, solve problems, teach a shortcut, and then give a challenging problem. Our final message: don't teach the chapter, teach thinking. Don't teach the formula, teach imagination. Don't create students who memorize, create students who innovate. From today, don't enter class as a physics teacher. Instead, enter as a thinking trainer. Don't ask if the formula is understood. Ask, can you predict what will happen? A great teacher teaches thinking. Thank you for watching this video. This has been brought to you by Apex Institute of Maths and Sciences, specializing in IIT Foundation, Olympiad, and teacher training. Remember, a great teacher teaches thinking.